Hello guys, mga ka-KJ. This is your boy Kyo. I'm back with another reaction video. Today we're going to react to G22 Groove On. Yan. Anyway, follow. Please like and subscribe. Then paki-follow na rin yung mga channels ko, which is my Facebook and Instagram. Dito sila. Oops. Eto. To. Yan. And then, before anything else, intro muna tayo guys. At po siya ang ating kababayan. Yan. Which is KND channel. Maybe in view of alam nyo to? SLMT. Yan! Welcome back to my channel again after 5 years. Thank you guys. Hopefully I can grow this channel again. And then please share para dumami naman tayo dito sa sa aking channel. And then let's keep on moving. So again, we are going to react to G22 sabi nga ni Josh, di ba? G22 Groove On. I think this was released yesterday, if I'm not wrong, but actually it's quite new. So without further ado guys, in 1, 2, 3, let's go. Nice. Wow, sexy. May budget guys, may budget in fairness. Hopefully ganito dapat nung una pa lang hindi ko naman inano, pero under ba sila ng what label? Is it SBT? Is it? I forgot already. So hopefully, I heard one reactor said that actually may potential dapat pinupush nila yung group na to. So hopefully this is the start that they will push this group. Di naman tumatanda na rin sila. I know they're still young, but you know, kung meron kang pagkakataon na i-push yung isang group, lalo na kapag nakikita mo na di ba, may potential, di ba, ipupush mo yan. So tignan mo yung SB19 and Beanie, di ba? So okay, let's continue. Wow. Grabe yung body. Yung sana yung post, pero galing talaga nila, at least hindi sila nag-give up. So hopefully they can break into the international scene as well, music industry. P-pop prize nga sabi, lahat sana ng mga ng mga P-pop girl group, boy group natin is maka-break sa international scene. Hopefully I think now is SB19 Beanie, and then hopefully G22, and then whoever, BGYO or Zonara or Wink, whoever, let's support them guys. support. Yung theme nila, no, parang ano rin, retro. If Sonara is like early 2000s, late 90s, ito naman mga 70s, 70s. Yung styling lang, ah. Correct if I'm wrong, sila ba yung nag-ano? Nagko-compose ng kanta nila? Napapaindak eh, no? Gaganda nila, no? Tapos maganda pa rin asawa. Yeah. Nice. Hmm. Oh. Cornerstone. Cornerstone? Sino ba to? So, ang nag-perform... Sorry may... Yung screen ko nandito, yung isang screen. Jazz. So, si Jazz. Oh, most of the things is done by Jazz from G22. Okay. And then, Corner Studio. Corner Studio ba? Cornerstone Music. Cornerstone Music is under Sony. I'm not sure, guys, but yeah, actually it's better than what we seen from them. I know it's like what they offer is actually quite good, but this is step up. So hopefully maging the trajectory kumbaga is actually go up. Go up. So this we have a bright future in regards to P-pop actually. So hopefully like everything follows. Wag na tayong magbigay ng mga what do we call it, like mediocre P-pop group. I heard one reactor as well say that like not all, but some of the P-pop groups, like if is half baked, para lang maiano sa hype, di ba? Pero sana wag naman. We need to train them more. Yung mga rising stars, we need to train them more para hindi na lang tayo yung parang yung parang kumbaga may mailabas lang. So hopefully na parang yung every time we maglabas tayo ng boy group or girl group, right, is actually the yung trajectory mo is high, so at least they can do their best. Is not only for locals, they can be known as like in the local scene, but also in outside the country, outside Philippines actually, which is like I said again, is actually what the Beanie and the SB19 are doing, and hopefully all, even though it's not all, like most of the P-pop groups can do as well. So okay guys, that's my reactions, and then hopefully more reactions to come. Hopefully I have more time to do this again and again. So thank you guys. Please share, comments, maybe comment yung mga iba ko pang i-react na groups, whoever, what country, K-pop, P-pop, M-pop, everything, rock bands, whatsoever. So without further ado, so basically, thank you, and then goodbye guys. Thanks.